All right. Good morning, YouTube and my subscribers. All 80 of you. We're up. Uh, Hope y'all are having a wonderful day. This is William from Williams, Philippines, and it is May 15th. I so wanted to get out of here. Anyway, got a year and plus maybe a month. We'll see. Haven't found out exactly from my boss as to when that wedding's going to happen and if he's going to need me to stay later or not. But it's a possibility, so 12 or 13 months. Oh, so ready to go. Anyway, uh, did manage to find a couple of virtual mailbox places. One right here in Amarillo, and I'm going to go try to talk to them tomorrow between my dentist and my doctor. And somewhere in there, yeah, got an email from the pharmacist about all the shots. So I'm going to try to get and talk with them tomorrow too, sometime after either 9 or 10. I forget which. So, yay. Yeah. It was too wet still to mow, and it looks like it's going to try to rain again tomorrow. So before I go to the dentist's office, I'm going to try to get in there earlier in the morning and try to do my mowing. Like I say, it was too wet to mow this morning and everything just gummed up and clogged up. But it's had another day of drying out, so if I can get in there before it starts raining tomorrow afternoon, I can hopefully get the mowing done. Otherwise, yay. It is what it is. Anyway, and I've got somebody coming over to look at the house on a cash offer on Thursday. So, yay, bunch of stuff I got done today, planning wise, and inspecting. I actually was looking at a small, I think it's a 14 inch. It's not small as this thing, but a 14-inch computer, and it's a Huawei or something like that. It's like $250, and there's been several good reviews on it. Haven't exactly been able to find the information as to the camera on it. We have a switch that clears it so that it can't watch you. We have another one that has a little side switch that says it turns it off, physically turns it off. I don't know. Yeah. Some days I really do wonder. Because I've seen some of the things they're talking about as to like with phones and such. The the no matter whether you turn it off or not, there was some guy saying that they could just with the capacitors that are in a phone can turn it on and watch for a long time because none of that stuff really. And then the moment it powers back up, it sends out information. So, is your phone ever really off? Yeah. And, yeah, I don't know. Might be a good reason to have a phone case that has a slide that you can cover up the one on the backside so that you can cover the camera on the backside and then lay it face down so that the cameras don't work. Ladies, that ain't good when they can turn your camera on and see what you're doing. And yeah, too many people carry phones to the bathroom. Just saying, it's never really a good thing. And we don't know for sure what can be done with most of these things. And they're talking, all the China chips that have, China can turn it on. and watch what's going on, because, well, they made the chip and they don't tell you what all the little things do in there because, well, they don't want you to know that. Just enjoy the fact that you have a phone that's cheap. Yeah, everybody's. That's why all these apps are free, because they're storing your data and selling it to somebody, and hey, data's important. Yeah. And when the military says you can't have a Huawei or Huawei phone because it's compromised, well, yeah. The problem is it's compromised by them, not by us. And in some cases, it's compromised by both. I think both sides are okay with that, but who am I to say one way or the other? Anyway, yeah. Phones, computers, the invasion of privacy that they are. And being somebody who kind of likes privacy, I know I'm going completely off my rocker and, decided to take and do this channel. Part of me thought about just doing it as a faceless one and, not putting my face out there and, trying to completely have it not be me associated with it, but one way or another it's associated with you if it's online. So, yeah. Is there anything in the way of privacy anymore with everything that's going on in our world today? I really don't think so. So that's why I'm trying to, I try to be as private in my life as I can, but I'm still trying to improve a social media front. I don't know what you'd call it, presence. But then one of my friends asked me, well, why aren't you on Facebook? Yeah, I'm not sure I want to go there with... Yeah, Facebook. I don't like Zuck. So, yeah. And I'm going to a place that's really invaded by Facebook. And is it really an invasion if you invite them into your life? I don't know. Yeah. How do you do anything in the Philippines without Facebook? Apparently it's not hard to, do anything over there. If you've got Facebook, everything's on Facebook. The marketplace, every business is on Facebook, some way or another. I don't know. I guess I'm going to have to start a Facebook thing over there when I get there. I wouldn't do it before I got there because, well, I just don't feel like doing it until then. But eventually, yeah. Don't get me wrong. I had a Facebook 10, 12 years ago and tossed it out on its ear because, yeah, I just hate the way it was going and the fact that it was so invasive. And yet here now I am on YouTube, about a year plus from opening up a Facebook account again. And like I said, is it a invasion or is it an invitation? I don't know. Anyway, like I said, I got up to 80 subscribers now. Yay, thank you. Appreciate it. Like and subscribe, please. Comment. They say I'm supposed to do that more often, according to some of the things that to improve my channel. So, like and subscribe, and hit the notification bell or something. Comment, please. According to the people at YouTube, that's a good thing for small channels. Uh, I don't know. It really is. I don't know. Maybe I am a dinosaur, you know. I'm a boomer. Uh, just barely. Yeah. That cutoff point's just, just back there. So, yeah. It is what it is. Anyway. I don't know. All the things that have changed in my life, and I think, there's so much that's changed in my life. And then I think about how much changed in my great grandmother's life. She went from horse and carriage to cars to airplanes to, oh yeah, they shot a man at the moon and walked around the moon. Hey, it's y'all's choice what you believe there. You believe what you want to believe. I believe what I want to believe. Everything is a choice. What goes on between this point and this point, here, and up there, is all dealing with you, not my department. Like I say, that's your thinking areas. Me, I watched the moon landing. I think it happened. I believe it happened. And as far as I'm concerned, your choice is your choice. What was it Ayn Rand said? Ayn Rand wrote Atlas Shrugged, but she said something in an interview somewhere about you can deny reality all you want. Your choice. You can deny reality, but you cannot deny the consequences of your denying reality. So, if you want to dance in the middle of the road because you believe the middle of the road is the best place in the world to dance, well, you can go dance in the middle of the road. It is a choice. Reality gets to come by and reality check you and slap you down the highway with a bumper. So you may deny reality for quite a while. You may never have to face the bumper. But quite possible you're going to dance in the middle of the road. A bumper's going to come along and introduce you back to reality. That reality is painful. And it will hurt you if you don't want to accept reality. I've become very reality orientated. I don't try to do things that involve the middle of the road. And anything else that I can look down the track and see whether, hey, that might be painful if it happens. I want to avoid that. Yeah. I try to avoid walking across streets because I don't move fast enough. But hey, go for it. Your choice. I'm not going to tell you you can't, because, hey, that's what goes on between your ears, your heart, your head, and God. So choose wisely. Understand your choices have consequences. And that's why I'm really torn on getting back into Facebook when I get over there. I mean, seriously, I don't like that stuff. But apparently, to find places in the Philippines, you're either going to be doing it through Google or the better version on Facebook. And that's from what my research has been teaching me about the realities of the Philippines. Everything's on Facebook. Most of the things are on Google Maps and such. So I'm doing Google with YouTube and Google Maps and such. So it is what it is. Anyway, choices. So many choices. Anyway, I hope you choose to continue following me. Please choose to hit the like and subscribe. And choose to comment, please. I hope to see you when I get to the Philippines and still there with me. There's a guy just got over there today or yesterday, and I'm trying to watch him over there. There's a couple of them gone that direction. Anyway, trying to keep track of everything, trying to learn. Y'all have a good day. Letter blessings. Bye-bye. I'm William from Williams, Philippines. Have a blessed day. I'm fishing. Well, fish is out.